5 balls. All right, one guy will go 5 times in a row. So put all the balls in the front row, and the next guy will go for all 5. All right, so you snap. Snap for you. Everyone understand? Okay, it's going to be tough. It's going to feel a little awkward. You want to move as quick as you can. Okay, it's comfortable. If you're a younger guy and this is something new for you, okay, take your time in it. All right? But as soon as the ball is released, get yourself back. Cue's going to get you the ball as quick as he can. The center's going to get you the ball as quick as he can. Everyone understand what we're doing? Okay, we're not dropping. We're catching, throwing. Okay, we're trying to get rid of it quick. Okay, anybody got a question about anything? All right, here we go. No, left side's got cadence. Left side's got cadence. Yeah, go. There it is. Try to get your feet right.
That's all right.
Quicker you can.
Work through getting tired.
Good. That's it. Good job. Cole, that's a good job. Here we go.
Work through getting tired.
Good. All right, here we go. Next guy, wait for everyone to get set up. Then Andrew, you'll call the cadence to start us off. Just wait till all the balls are in. It's all good. Keep the balls off the ground. Let us know when you're ready. Say go. Good. Work on getting your feet right.
Come on. Footwork.
Good. It's not as easy as it looks. Get it out of your hands, get it going, especially with the nice cold air we have today. Cold air, you got to blow in those hands. Okay? All right, wait till we get all the balls in.
Here go.
Oh, we don't got all the balls in. Wait till you got all the balls in. You ready? All right, here we go.
Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about, okay? So you see how it starts to come out when you try to get it out real quick, okay? That's what we want to continue to work on. This is a great drill. This is a drill you should be doing at home all the time. You can do it for your dad, okay? As long as you can catch. All right, here we go.
And if you can't,
Hold on. If you can't, you throw it to your sister, your grandmother.
she's probably the athlete.
That's right. Hang on, hold on. All right, ready? You got it, Cats. Say go.
Gather and go.
Get it out of your hands quick.
Yeah, don't worry about laces.
Good. Receivers' balls are coming in crazy.
You didn't think you were going to catch 4,000
Hey, everything
balls.
you guys should always try, especially when you're in stationary stuff, try to catch it as far away from your body as possible. I know they're coming in crazy. It's quick, sorry. It's quick. You guys got to get rid of it quick for your 3 yards. Okay? It's coming in crazy. And control your feet. And control your body. Move fast. All right, here we go.
Go. Rapid fire, man. Let's go. Rapid fire. Good. Let's go. Get ready to catch. Forward. There you go. Back.
Good, here we go. We at the
Rapid
top.
fire.
All right, rotate it down. Let's go rotate it. Rotate it. Here we go. Rotate it. Right, left side will call it. Oh, you're cheating? You're not going to be on the hash mark? No. You're on the hash mark, don't cheat.
Come on now, work through, right? Work through.
All right, we're ready. You got it, left side. There, go. Get out of your hand.
Don't wind up.
Step and throw. We don't want to wind up. We want to step and throw. Have your body in position. Step and throw.
Ah, you're all right. Oh, yes. happens, man.
All right, here we go.
Bang.
Good throw. Better.
Wind up. Wind up. Catch and go.
That's it.
It's easy to throw the ball when you're taking pictures. You know, 7 up, 7. You gotta get it out of your hands fast. Different story. You ready? Or you guys here?
Wind up. Throw. Catch and throw. Catch. Throw. Catch.
Quicker.
Throw. Catch. Throw. Come on. You gotta catch it first.
I feel like we might have guys with small hands here.
Come on.
I'm not able to grab that ball. Hold on. Ready? Let go. That's better. Here we go. Step and throw. There we go. That's better. Get your feet right. There you go. Good job, guys. That's better. That's better. Was it Butler? Butler High School?
You know he's chucking it, coach.
I know. They only do strong.
That's it. Welcome to my world. We haven't had 1,000-yard rushers. I get that.
I know we're ready. Ready? All right, here we go. Oh, there's a little wetness factor, I guess, in the ball too, right? A little wet factor. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's a 5 for 5 right there. Was that? What's the name again? Justin? Yeah. That looks good, Justin. That's it.
Coach has to stop.
Okay, we're not rotating. Okay, so listen, it's fast, but not rushed. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
It's fast, but not rushed, right? Meaning you can't get your feet all out of position, arm all out of whack, throw. You gotta move fast, but you're not rushed that you haven't gotten yourself in position to throw. Understand? Okay. All right, so far, the guy who's done this the best so far is Justin. Justin's got it out. If you see him do it, he's moving fast. Okay, he's moving fast, but he's not rushed, so he's still getting the ball out. Samir and Andrew are close. Samir and Andrew are close.
Understand why we're telling you other guys are doing it right. Because we want you to watch that guy and mimic what they're doing.
Samir and Andrew
Put somebody on top.
They had a couple of crazy throws, but other than that, it was pretty good.
Mimic what
Okay.
they're doing.
So reminder, one last reminder, fast but not rushed. Your feet have to be right. Okay, you got to use your hips. Don't get all stiff that you're not utilizing your hips as well. Rotate those hips. Okay, here we go. You got it, Mark. Here we go.
He looks exactly like most of us. Oh my God, was that grenade?
No, that's it.
Yes, what I meant.
That's better. Cool. That's good. That's better. That's good.
Yeah, no, you don't look like him. Russell.
Better.
That's good. Good job. Thanks
That
for
was better.
picking me up.
You guys.
That's because that's his triple double guy, right?
Yeah.
It's because I have to hear about him.